Hello and welcome to Momotai. Today you're going to see the result of my retail therapy. Let's start with this stamping ink that I got. Most of this stuff is from Itsy Bitsy and Sitaram Stationers. The stuff I'm showing you right now, like this very cute washi tape bundle, is from Itsy Bitsy and I just got it for myself. And I got some cute stamps to help me in making cards and to make the packaging even cuter. So that's that. And I also got some embellishments to go with all the cards that I make, and in case I need to work on a scrapbook or a photo album. And this shows all the designs that are in here. There are 66 pieces in total, and I got highlighter for myself, hoping that I will maybe study instead of doing all this art. And I got this paper pack, which is 6 by 6 inches, and it has got some really pretty designs that I'm planning on using for the festive season that's coming up. So you can expect some really pretty cards for the festive season. And in case you're wondering, while I show you these designs inside, you can order them on my shop, which I will have linked below. And it even has some handmade photo albums and bookmarks and stickers, so check that out. And as you can see, all these designs are really pretty, and each design has 2 sheets of paper, so hopefully I can utilize it to the maximum. This is one of my favorite designs of the whole pack. It's just really pretty. Just watch me flip through the rest of the designs. By the way, Itsy Bitsy has a really good collection of this kind of scrapbooking and card making paper. So if you want, I will link Itsy Bitsy and Sitaram Stationers down below, and you can check that out. This is packaging that I have bought for a sticker pack that I am planning coming up next month after Inktober, which is going to be really special. So looking forward to that. And I got some supplies to hang up my art in my room, like these hooks and the really tiny cute wooden clips. I also got myself another sketchbook because you obviously can't have enough sketchbooks. Now this isn't watercolor, this is mainly for sketching and pen and ink drawings, but this is for me to practice, because the other really expensive sketchbook I have kind of scares me and I don't want to spoil its paper, so I don't use it much. This is just some black paper for me to try painting with gouache on. I also got some pencil colors, just in 3 colors, because these colors seem nice and the pencil colors were expensive, so I just got 3. They're really good quality. They're from Derbent, and I got this from Sitaram Stationers. They have really good art supplies. And I got a whole huge tube of white gouache because I needed a lot, and the one that I was using I've almost run out of. So now I'm setting a timer for 2 hours and we are going to start sketching. So the rest of it is going to be mostly a time-lapse video of you watching me sketch, so you can join along, get your own art supplies, get your sketchbook, pen, paper, paints, whatever you require, and get some practice time of sketching in, okay? That's important. Let's go.